5 things that you shouldn't throw in your garbage disposal. First thing, don't throw eggshells in your garbage disposal. Second thing, don't throw any chicken bones, any beef bones, anything that's hard inside the garbage disposal. Third thing, don't throw grease down the garbage disposal. Fourth thing, don't throw rubbers or anything like that. The fifth, don't throw any rocks, pebbles, sand, or food inside your garbage disposal because it will get jammed. Garbage disposals are not repairable. You have to replace them and when they leak. So just FYI.